Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Citizen Echo Drive watch. As you can see here at 3 o'clock we have the date complication that features a day-date complication. So this means that we have both the day of the week and the day of the month. So in order to safely and correctly set the time and date on your Citizen, on your quartz watch, on your mechanical watch, we need to follow three principles. Now the first one, and maybe the most important, is to first set the time at 6:30. And we do that because usually the wheel that changes the date is going to engage between 9 and 12 o'clock, or even between 12 and 3 o'clock in case we have also the day of the week. So this means that for this particular model, it is going to engage between 9 and 3 o'clock. So that is why we want to set the time at 6:30. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to pull the crown to the last position in order to set the time. And you will be able to see that as I get closer and closer to 12 o'clock, as you can see right now, the day of the month is going to change. So this means that exactly at this moment the date wheel is engaged. So if I were to attempt to change the date while the date wheel is engaged, there is a big possibility that I can actually damage the date wheel. Thus your date is not going to work anymore. If I go past 12 o'clock, as you can see, the day of the month has changed, and now our day of the week is going to start engaging between 12 and 3 o'clock. So once again, this is going to be our second danger zone. As you can see right here, we have the first language, and since we have two languages on these Citizen Seiko models, you can see that the date is going to fully change after 4 o'clock. So that is why the first step is going to be to set the time at 6:30. This way, we are going to be outside the danger zone. So in this particular case, between 9 and 4 o'clock. So we have to have our watch hands outside of this exact danger zone. And the easiest way to remember, and something that you can apply to both quartz and mechanical watches, is going to be to first set your time at 6:30. Step number 2 is going to be to first set the date and then set the time. And when setting the date, we are going to set it 1 day prior to your actual end goal. So let's presume that I want to make it the 10th and Monday. I'm going to first set the date 1 day prior. So I'm going to make it the 9th and Sunday. So 1 day prior for both of them. So in this position, I'm going to push the crown back and I'm going to pull it only to the first position. So now if I rotate upwards, so in a clockwise direction, I'm going to first set the day of the week. And here you can also select if you want to have it in English or the second language, which can be sometimes Spanish, German, Japanese, and even French. And for example, I want to have it in English, so I'm going to leave it at Sunday, as I mentioned, 1 day prior, since my end goal is going to be Monday. And now, if I rotate downwards, so in the opposite direction, so anti-clockwise, I'm going to be able to set the day of the month. So I'm going to make it the 9th, since, as I mentioned, my end goal is going to be the 10th. Just like that. So now, both my day of the week and my day of the month are both set to 1 day prior to my end goal. So I want to make it Monday the 10th. And now I'm going to arrive at the third and last principle, which is going to be to pull the crown to the last position, go manually past 12 o'clock until I arrive on my desired date, so the 10th and Monday, and I can select AM or PM. So I'm going to pull the crown to the last position once again, and I'm going to go past 12 o'clock until the date changes. It did not change since we were AM, and now since I am AM, I can change the date as well. So I have arrived on the 10th, it is Monday, and now I know that here I have 6 AM, so 6 in the morning. In case I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again, and I'm going to arrive at 6 p.m. So that is why we want to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal, and then to manually go past 12 o'clock until I arrive on my desired date, and then I'm going to be able to select AM or PM. So guys, these are the 3 basic principles that you need to follow, and then in order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown back in, and I know that I am on the 10th, it is a Monday, and it is going to be at 6 p.m. This tutorial is going to apply to other watch brands, to mechanical watches, and in case you want to also watch the full guide on how to replace the strap and the capacitor on this Citizen Echo Drive, I'm going to leave links in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. And also guys, if you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps a lot. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.